The race to build the next generation of artificial intelligence is here. This is not a distant future. It is happening right now on this day, October 30th, 2025. Two major teams are leading this monumental endeavor. One is OpenAI, a name that has become synonymous with generative AI. The other is Google, a technology titan, DeepMind Google AI laboratories. They are not alone in this pursuit. Many other brilliant groups are contributing. Anthropic, NVIDIA, Meta AI are also pushing the boundaries of what is possible. This technological sprint is more than just a corporate competition. It will fundamentally reshape our jobs, our creative tools, our daily lives. The outcome will also determine the principles that make AI safe, fair, beneficial for everyone. The importance of this AI race cannot be overstated. We are at a pivotal moment, similar to the dawn of the internet, the invention of the personal computer. The models being developed today are not just incremental improvements. They represent a qualitative leap in machine capability. OpenAI has captured the world's imagination. It has become a household name by building large-scale models that can write-speak code with remarkable fluency. These models, part of the GPT series, are trained to understand and generate human-like text based on simple prompts. They can answer complex questions in detail. They can draft emails, write poetry, and even debug computer programs. More recently, OpenAI has expanded into other domains, developing models that can create photorealistic images from textual descriptions and engage in natural, spoken conversations. This ability to perform a wide variety of tasks makes their technology incredibly versatile and powerful. It has unlocked a new paradigm for human-computer interaction. The core of OpenAI's strategy revolves around scaling. They have demonstrated that making models bigger, with more parameters and trained on more data, leads to significant gains in capability. They use massive datasets scraped from the public internet and other sources, combined with clever training techniques like reinforcement learning from human feedback, RLHF. This method helps align the model's outputs with what users find helpful and safe. OpenAI also focuses heavily on creating accessible tools for developers and creators. Their application programming interfaces, or APIs, allow startups and established companies alike to easily integrate powerful AI features into their own applications. This has created a vibrant ecosystem of new products built on OpenAI's foundation. This focus on creating general-purpose models has a distinct advantage. It gives creators and entrepreneurs a fast and efficient way to add sophisticated intelligence to their products without needing to build their own models from scratch. Imagine a small startup that wants to create a new educational app. Instead of spending years and millions of dollars on AI research, they can use an OpenAI API to build a tutoring chatbot in a matter of weeks. This democratization of AI capability is a key part of OpenAI's impact. They are not just building a product, they are building a platform that enables thousands of others to innovate. Their approach is to put powerful tools into the hands of as many people as possible, as quickly as possible. However, this rapid deployment strategy also comes with significant responsibilities. As the capabilities of their models grow, so does the potential for misuse. OpenAI invests in safety research to understand and mitigate these risks. They work on techniques to reduce harmful biases in their models and to prevent them from generating dangerous content. They also engage with policymakers and the public to discuss the societal implications of advanced AI. Their approach has been to deploy powerful systems while simultaneously building the guardrails needed to manage them. This balance between pushing the frontier of capability and ensuring responsible use is a central challenge that defines OpenAI's journey in this new technological era. Google has been a leader in AI research for over a decade. Its efforts are primarily driven by the legendary Google DeepMind lab and the broader Google AI teams. Unlike the more public-facing approach of OpenAI, Google has often integrated its AI breakthroughs more quietly and deeply into its vast portfolio of products. DeepMind first gained global fame with AlphaGo that defeated the world's top human players in the complex game of Go. This was a landmark achievement that demonstrated the power of deep reinforcement learning. Since then, DeepMind has applied similar techniques to solve formidable scientific challenges. such as predicting the three-dimensional structure of proteins with AlphaFold, which has revolutionized biology. Google's core strength lies in its immense scale and infrastructure. It possesses one of the world's largest computing networks, massive proprietary datasets from its products, and a direct line to billions of users. This allows Google to develop, test, and deploy AI models at a scale that few others can match. When Google improves its language models, those improvements can be rolled out to enhance Google Search, Google Assistant, Gmail, and Google Cloud services. This tight integration of research and product creates a powerful feedback loop. AI research provides new features for products, and the data from those products helps improve the AI models. This synergy is a formidable advantage in the long-term AI race. The company's strategy is not just about building a single, all-powerful model. Google is developing a family of models, such as the Gemini series, which are designed to be multimodal from the ground up. Text, images, audio, video. This approach is more aligned with how humans perceive the world. Google is also investing heavily in its own custom AI hardware. Their tensor processing units, or TPUs, are specialized chips designed to accelerate the mathematical computations required for training and running large neural networks. By controlling both the software and the hardware, Google can optimize its entire AI stack for maximum performance and efficiency. While Google's progress has been immense, its approach to releasing new technology has often been more cautious. Given that its products are used by billions of people, the company places a very high premium on safety, reliability, and avoiding reputational risk. They conduct extensive internal testing and red teaming before releasing new AI features to the public. This measured pace can sometimes make it appear as though they are falling behind more agile competitors. However, it is a deliberate strategy rooted in the immense responsibility that comes with operating at such a massive scale. Google's goal is to build AI that is not just powerful, but also deeply helpful and safe for all its users across the globe. The technology has reached a critical tipping point. The performance of large language models has crossed a threshold. They are incredibly useful for a wide range of practical applications. This has ignited a firestorm of investment research product development. Companies are racing to integrate these capabilities into their services. Startups are building entirely new products on top of these powerful AI platforms. This rapid deployment means that the choices we make today about AI development and governance will have long-lasting consequences. The competition is accelerating innovation, but it also creates pressure to move quickly. We must balance this speed with a deep commitment to responsible development. The journey ahead is filled with both promise and complexity, and what it all means for you. The AI landscape is not a simple two-way race. It is a rich and diverse ecosystem with many important contributors. Anthropic, Meta, AI, NVIDIA. Visual recap. Anthropic, Meta, and NVIDIA. Anthropic, a research company founded by former OpenAI employees, a key player with a unique focus. Their mission: reliable, interpretable, and steerable AI systems. Safety is central to Anthropic's research. They pioneer constitutional AI, models trained to follow explicit principles, keeping behavior aligned with human values. Without constant supervision, their AI safety work adds a crucial dimension to the industry conversation. Meta AI, the research division of the company behind Facebook and Instagram. Meta's focus: power social connections, and creator tools for its massive user base. They release models to open science. Example: Llama. Open approach accelerates progress. Lets smaller labs and academics build on their work. Meta Research, computer vision. Meta Research, natural language understanding. Meta Research, self-supervised learning, essential for immersive experiences, including the metaverse. NVIDIA is different, but absolutely critical. NVIDIA does not build large language models itself. Instead, it builds the picks and shovels for the AI gold rush. The company designs and manufactures GPUs, the computational backbone of modern AI. These powerful chips perform massive parallel calculations, needed to train large neural networks. without NVIDIA hardware. The recent explosion in AI capabilities wouldn't have been possible. As models grow larger and more complex, demand for NVIDIA's GPUs has skyrocketed. That has made them one of the most influential companies in tech. Anthropic pushes everyone to think more deeply about safety and alignment. Meta's open-source models foster wider innovation, preventing concentration of power. NVIDIA's hardware improvements expand the frontier of what's computationally feasible. They also provide software libraries, like CUDA, to help developers harness GPU power. Together with startups and academia, they ensure AI's future is shaped by a vibrant, collaborative global community. The ultimate frontier for artificial intelligence is not just in the digital realm, it is in the physical world. Robotics is the field where AI models meet atoms, where code translates into concrete action. The goal is to create machines that can perceive their environment, make intelligent decisions, and perform useful tasks. Homes, factories, hospitals, beyond. This is an incredibly challenging problem. The real world is messy, unpredictable, and far more complex than a simulated environment or a dataset of text. Robots must handle novel situations safely and reliably. They need AI that is smart, robust, and grounded in physical reality. Both Google DeepMind and OpenAI are making significant strides in robotics research. They're exploring how large-scale models, originally developed for language and for vision, can serve as the brain for a robot. For example, a robot could use a language model to understand a natural language command. Please pick up the apple from the counter. Place it in the bowl. The AI would need to parse the sentence, identify the objects, plan a sequence of arm movements, and execute them precisely. Researchers train robots in virtual simulations and in real-world laboratories. In simulation, a robot can practice a task millions of times, learning from trial and error much faster than in real life. DeepMind has a long history of work in this area. They've used reinforcement learning to teach robotic arms complex manipulation tasks like stacking blocks, sorting objects. Their research targets general-purpose algorithms, so robots can learn new skills quickly. OpenAI has shown impressive results too, training a robotic hand to solve a Rubik's Cube. These are research milestones, not consumer products. Yet, they show the same AI architectures behind chatbots can give machines common-sense understanding and motor control. The convergence of advanced AI and robotics will unlock transformative applications. Imagine autonomous robots assisting with logistics in a warehouse. Imagine robots performing delicate surgeries with greater precision than a human surgeon. Imagine robots helping an elderly person with daily chores at home. These are not science fiction. They're the long-term goals driving current research. Progress will be steady, not sudden. Building safe, reliable robots requires rigorous testing and validation. But as AI models improve and hardware becomes cheaper, intelligent robots will gradually become a more common and helpful part of everyday life. The rapid advancement of AI presents enormous opportunities for creators, entrepreneurs, students. This is not a spectator sport. You can actively participate in building the future. For creators and entrepreneurs, the key is to leverage the powerful tools now widely available. You can integrate AI into your applications and services. Make them smarter, more personalized, more efficient. Using APIs from companies like OpenAI, Google allows you to add features like sophisticated chatbots, content generation tools, image analysis capabilities to your product without needing a PhD in machine learning. This lowers the barrier to entry for innovation. Start by thinking about real problems your users face. How can AI help solve them? Build an app that helps students study with personalized quizzes. Create a tool that helps small businesses write better marketing copy. Start small. Test your ideas quickly using readily available models. Once validated, consider scaling up. Fine-tune a model on your own data for specialized tasks. For heavy compute, use cloud services to access hardware without large upfront costs. NVIDIA, Google, Amazon. As you build, prioritize user trust and safety. Be transparent about when and how you use AI. If your app generates text or images, provide clear labels. Think carefully about training data and potential biases. Building responsible AI is ethical and good business. Users trust products designed with their best interests in mind. Put safety and ethics at the core from day one to build sustainable impact. For students and lifelong learners, this is an incredible time to learn. Demand for AI skills is growing across industries. Start with the fundamentals. Learn Python. Take online courses on neural networks, data science, model training. Follow research from DeepMind, OpenAI, Anthropic, read blogs and papers. Most importantly, get your hands dirty. Build small projects, a simple chatbot, an image classifier. These practical skills will be invaluable in tomorrow's job market. The future of artificial intelligence will not be forged by a single company or a single breakthrough. It will be shaped by the complex interplay of intense competition, deep collaboration, a shared sense of responsibility. The race between giants like Google and OpenAI is a powerful engine for progress. It pushes them to build more capable models, more efficient hardware, more useful tools. This competition drives down costs and makes advanced technology more accessible to everyone. It ensures innovation continues at a breathtaking pace, constantly pushing the boundaries of what machines can do. This dynamic benefits the entire ecosystem, from startups to large enterprises. However, this race also carries risks. The pressure to be first can lead to rushing products to market without adequate safety testing. This is why the broader ecosystem matters. Researchers at institutions like Anthropic, academics, civil society groups provide a crucial counterbalance. They raise questions about safety, ethics, alignment. They develop techniques to make AI more transparent and controllable. Public debate and thoughtful regulation also play a vital role. We need clear rules of the road so these technologies benefit all of humanity. For individuals looking to thrive, the path is clear. First, commit to continuous learning. The field moves fast. Skills must be updated. Second, embrace a hands-on approach. Don't just read about AI, build with it. Start small projects to gain practical experience. Third, build with purpose and responsibility. Use these tools to create long-term value. Build systems that help people learn, help people create and solve meaningful problems. Always designed for safety and transparency. Put the user at the center. We're at the beginning of a remarkable new chapter in human history. The AI being built today will fundamentally change our world. New tools will empower creators, entrepreneurs, scientists to achieve things we can barely imagine. This race isn't just about market leadership. It's about building AI that's powerful and wise, capable and compassionate. It's about systems that augment our intelligence and amplify creativity, safely and beneficially. The journey is long, but the potential is limitless. Stay curious, learn more, be part of the future. Subscribe to NextGen AI News for more daily AI breakthroughs.